This crock-pot chicken dinner has all the flavors of Olive Garden. I'm Tess, and today I'm making a version of crock-pot Italian Olive Garden chicken pasta. It's easy, creamy, and delicious. You are going to love this one. Stay tuned. We really enjoy the taste of the Italian Olive Garden salad dressing, so why not add it to chicken? Today I am using my crock pot and I'm adding in a can of cream of mushroom soup. You can use cream of chicken. As I always say, choose a low sodium soup. Adding in the star of the show, and that is 1 cup of Italian Olive Garden dressing. This adds most of the flavor and tang to this dish. It's so good. You can add as much as you want, but just beware that the more that you add, the saltier it will be. Adding in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and parsley, and a 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese, giving that a good stir to combine. These are 2 very large boneless, skinless chicken breasts and are about 2 pounds. Snuggling the chicken in the sauce, covering and cooking on high for 3 hours or on the low setting for 5 to 6 hours. You want the chicken to be pull-apart tender. It's been 3 hours and the chicken is done, and you can shred the chicken right in the crock pot or remove and shred. Keep the pieces a little chunky, as the chicken will continue to fall apart as you stir. The sauce smells wonderful, and we are about ready to make this Olive Garden chicken dish rich and creamy. This is where the dish comes together and gets exciting. Adding the chicken back into the crock pot and giving it a stir to combine. To give it a little color and pop, I'm adding in 1 cup of frozen peas. For the creaminess, I have 1 block of cubed cream cheese. The cheese adds a lot of richness, flavor, and is the glue that holds everything together. I think adding the cream cheese at the end results in more creaminess versus adding it before cooking the chicken. And finally, another 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Giving that a good stir, covering, and cooking on high for about 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted. I have about 3 cups of cooked penne pasta, and you can use the pasta that you like. Giving that a stir, and we are ready to eat. You could even throw in a handful of fresh chopped parsley or basil. If the mixture is too thick, you can thin it out with a little leftover pasta water. The tangy Italian Olive Garden dressing shines through, and the rich creaminess is so comforting. This Olive Garden crock-pot chicken dinner is so easy, and your family will love it. I hope you give this Italian Olive Garden crock-pot chicken pasta recipe a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!